All right. So I love simple ideas that work, right? Real simple ideas that work. And this is a great one. I call this the I left your review strategy. So really, really killer. So here's how it works. So every time you have a closing, give the buyer's agent and the listing agent an online review, right? Like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, basically any and every site that they have a profile. And then after I leave them a review, call them up, let them know that you enjoyed working with them and their team and that you left them a review, right? And in that call, just use a very simple call to action to either have a coffee meeting or simply ask them for referral. I mean, it's really just that simple. Now, some less experienced loan officers may think that they need the old, but Carl, I need to bring something of value before I can get a referral. But see, that's the beauty of this strategy is you already did give something of value, right? You left them a review and you said in a very cool way that you like them. And we all know that people do business with people that they like, and people like people who like them. So you just said, "Hey, I like you," like in the review, and people like people that like them, right? It's just human nature. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is this isn't like some little sleazy shenanigan, as we only do this with agents that we actually liked working with, right? So if somebody was a jerk, well, you don't want to work with jerk more, right? You want to work with jerks less. And so of course, only do this with people that you actually enjoyed working with. And if somebody wasn't pleasant, well, don't do this, because this strategy likely will have you working with them more and perhaps much more. Now, if you catch their voicemail, simply leave a message stating what you did and that you would like to meet with them. Or if they're further than you care to drive, maybe meet with them virtually, like on a Zoom meeting, or just simply tell them that you'd like to work with them some more, right? So, and then if you do leave a voicemail, send an email with the subject line, "I left you a review," and just repeat the same message in the email, right? So I love, love, love these simple ideas that actually work, and this is just a really, really, really cool way to get referrals and to get to work with people that you liked. You get to work with them even more, and because that's the whole utopia, right? Is when you're doing a lot more business with people that you really like. So that's kind of about it. Hey, if you need any help with the scripting or what to say during these coffee meetings or Zoom meetings, whether you do them face to face or virtual, or simply right on the phone and actually get referrals from those meetings, just go to freedomclubdemo.com, and we'll give it to you for free, right? We'll give you the scripts. You can take screenshots of it, the whole 9 yards. Freedomclubdemo.com. I'm going to tell you, though, the action or the key to take action is to take action right now. And whoever does it, whatever it is, always, whoever does it first and fastest will always win. And understanding it's not who does things best, it's who implements them the fastest. That's who wins. So great stuff. Put this one to use. And frankly, you'll just brighten people's day by leaving reviews, telling them that you enjoyed work with them. You think they were a class act. Of course, again, only if you thought they were a class act. You'll put a little spring in their step, and people like people that like them. So brighten somebody's day. So freedomclubdemo.com. We'll talk to you when you call in, and we'll see you on the next episode of Loan Officer Freedom. Thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.